Hi everyone, Amy Love here, and Happy New Year, everybody. It has been a long time since I made a video, it seems like, but you know, the holidays get really busy and there's just so much going on. But I had the chance today, I have been able to create, like I created this cuff, and I'm going to show you more details about this in a minute. I absolutely love it. But I also wanted to take this moment to kind of, let everybody know that I am going to take this year off of design team work. I have been on design teams for 10 years, actually I think longer than that, and I just need a break. I have been on some of the best teams, and I want to thank Doreen and Kim for allowing me this freedom to take a year off, but I will still be working with both of those ladies in some capacity. So for Ooh La La Vintage Treasures, I am still an active member of the group, and I will be still moderating for Doreen, and she's going to have some lives coming up, and I can't wait to be in the chat and providing links and chit-chatting with you all during those. I'm excited about that. And for Angel Dream Crafts, Kim on Etsy, I'm actually helping to manage her guest design team this year. So that's very exciting for me too. But I'm taking more of a back seat as far as creating for them with their things. But of course I will be creating, and every time I use their things, I'm going to give them the proper shout out because I love them both, and I am so thankful about how encouraging they have been for me and how willing to work with me they have been. So thank you, ladies, and I'll put a link to both of them below this video so you can go check them out. But I'm getting I wanted the freedom this year to kind of do some things that have been on my radar to try, but I feel like I never have time because I'm trying to meet my design team obligations. So one of those things is more I'd like to have some time to focus on like upcycling things and making some wearable art pieces, and I'm very passionate about that, and I'm excited about where that's going and where that's headed. I also want to take some online classes and maybe do a little painting and kind of just have some freedom to try some new things and create some things. So that is what is going on. So I'm not sure how the video making will go. I will be, however, posting reels and photos on Instagram. I'm going to try to keep up with sharing my work there. But I wanted to show you this. I'm so excited about how this little guy turned out. Most of it is hand sewn. None of it is glued. And that's how I would like to proceed with my wearable art projects. I'm hoping that I won't get to a point where I am using glue at all. I just want to sew them. So I really just sketched out a pattern that I thought I wanted this wrist cuff to take, and I knew I wanted to use this for a closure. How cute are these, like those little overall things? I don't know what they're called, but they're so cute. So I knew I wanted the closure to be that. So I wanted room in the middle to design. So I kind of made it taper down at the edges so that it would fit around that metal piece with no problem. And then I just added lace, and I just built on that, and I absolutely love the way it turned out. And I actually did use some Angel Dream Crafts pieces on this, like this beautiful pleated tulle trim, and these leaves in the background, those are from Kim's shop, and these velvet flowers that are just so pretty are also from her shop. But then I used a doily, this beautiful bling piece. I don't even know where it came from. I am really trying to use the things I have because I have an abundance. So I'm trying not to buy more things. Although, y'all, I did buy a dress form today because I want to work on some pieces and I really need to hang the things on a dress form. So I did purchase a dress form, but I found one for like 21 bucks. on Amazon, and I think it's just going to be perfect for what I need, and I can leave a link to that below if you're interested in one of those. So I did buy that, but I'm really trying not to buy things and use what I have. So we'll see. We'll see how that goes. So once I had everything sewed on, I really wanted there to be a backing where you couldn't see where I sewed everything on, but I didn't know if I was going to be able to get this through my sewing machine. I felt like maybe that some of the pearls might have been in the way where I placed them, so I hand sewed the backing on. And I definitely feel like I need more skills in that area. Like, I know there is another stitch that I could do besides just the straight stitch that maybe would have looked nicer. So I'm going to be looking into that and working on that kind of thing. But I think it's really lovely, and it's just so stinking cute. So I have some more already ready to be worked on. So I will have a few of those available in my Etsy. They won't all have the same closure. I'm playing around with different closures. I really do like this one, but I'm thinking I want to try maybe some elastic ones that you don't have to fasten, so you can just slip it on. Well, we'll see how that goes. So I'm kind of excited about this opportunity to just take a break and try new things, and I hope you'll come along on that journey with me. And you can find a link, of course, to my Instagram below and to my Facebook business page, because I might try going live over there a few times. We'll see how it goes. But I hope you're all doing well and enjoying this new year, and please leave me a comment and let me know what you think, and I will see you guys soon. Bye everybody.